Dear Sai Bandhus, Sai Ram and divine blessings of Sri Sai to you and your family. You're going to listen an amazing miracle of Sripada and his gift to entire mankind on the auspicious day of Guru Purnima, that is Sripada Sri Vallabha Astotra Shatanamavali. Okay, so it started with Swami's message. Many months back, Swami gave me a divine message to start working on Sripada Sri Vallabha Astotra Shatanamavali. Because of unknown reasons, I was not able to start the work, and it is he who has to make his work start and successfully complete, right? So meanwhile, Swami blessed all of us with Koti Pranam Sripada, and we all started chanting Siddhamangala Stotram daily, and we were able to complete 1 crore times in 55 weeks. Okay, so the power of the Stotram is such that Swami, again he sent the message in the month of June 2021 to start the divine work of Sripada Sri Vallabha Astotra Shatanamavali. Okay, and so let's talk about now how Swami guided and where to start. Okay, so I'm not a scholar I'm not a spiritually elevated person to start the divine work. Okay, I know Swami himself will do his work, so I prayed Swami for his guidance on how to start, from where to pick the Namavali, etc. On 20th June 2021, it was also a Chitta Star Day. In Sai Anugraha, we read one chapter on Chitta Star Day every month. So before starting Swami's Parayan, I once again prayed Swami for his guidance and opened Sripada Sri Vallabha Charitamrtam book. The book opened with 15th chapter, and the message was, "You are chosen to write the divine history of Sripada, even though you write it in Sanskrit language, and if it is translated into Sripada's mother tongue Telugu in course of time, the result of Parayan of the book will be the same. Wherever Sripada's divine history is being read, Sripada will stay there in subtle form and listen." Okay, so this is the message I got. So I was so stunned, I was speechless, and I felt so blessed that you are the chosen one to write the divine history of Sripada. Okay, so reading this, so I felt so blessed. In this, if you see, it has 3 messages from Swami. One, his green light to start his work, and the second one is to pick Astotra Shatanamavali from Sripada Sri Vallabha Charitamrtam. Because I was asking Swami from where to pick, and in this message there is a reference of Sripada Sri Vallabha Charitamrtam, so we have to pick everything from that book. And the third one is I have to write the names in Sanskrit language, right? Then this is Swami's message, and then it is made available in we have to make this available in multiple languages starting from Telugu. Okay, so with his grace, work was started on 20th June. And also Swami gave me a thought to dedicate this to him at Pithapuram and Kuruvapuram on Guru Purnima day, which was on 23rd and 24th July 2021. That means we have only 35 days, 5 weeks to complete the work, get it reviewed by eminent scholars, prepare PDFs in Telugu and English to share with the priests at Pithapuram and Kuruvapuram, right? Now, how Swami guided me to identify 108 names. Okay, from 20th June, Swami started writing his names, making me as his instrument, showed me the names to pick. If any names was unclear to me, he made me to understand the meaning of the same. For example, as we all know, Swami likes halwa. Halwa is a Hindi word, and as I am writing this as he made me to write this in Sanskrit, I have to put a Sanskrit word there, right? So he made me to Google and showed me a word in Sanskrit. It's called lapsika. So lapsika is the Sanskrit word of halwa. Okay, so like this, there are a number of miracles and many teachings from Swami during this period. And if any of the names I was not able to understand at that time, he made me to skip that name and reminded me to come back to that and made me to complete it. Okay, like this, it was only 60 names that were completed in 4 weeks, and we had only 1 week to complete the pending 48 names. Okay, and also by the time the 60 names were completed, 33 chapters were completed, and only 20 chapters were remaining in Sripada Srivallabha Charitamritham, from where 48 names should come. Okay, then I was just thinking, why should I worry when Swami himself is writing his Astotram, right? Obvious. He amazingly completed all 108 names on 20th July, exactly 1 month. And also, he made us to prepare the English and Telugu Astotra Shatanamavali PDFs ready. We shared the PDFs with the priests, and they were dedicated to Swami on 23rd July at Kuruvapuram, and on 24th July at Sripada Srivallabha Mahasamsthanam at Pithapuram, and Datta Mandir at Padagaya Kshetram, and Sripada Temple at Kanchipuram. So, and now you are going to listen how Swami confirmed that he is the one who prepared it. Okay, so change the order written by him. So what I did, I changed the order. Okay, so this is how it is. When I was reading the 44th chapter, Swami made me to focus on 2 sentences. The first one, it is only an excuse to say that you are writing this treatise. His Sri Charanas only will make you write this book. Okay, so he made me to focus on that. So it says, I'm just an instrument and he is the one who is doing all the work, right? That means Swami is the one who is writing his Astotra Shatanamavali, and I should not take any credit. So the work was completed and it came out very well because it is written by Swami. And again, my monkey mind started thinking that Astotra Shatanamavali is not in order, because it has to start from Swami's birth, and then Swami's Leelas in Pithapuram, and Gokarnam, and then Kuruvapuram, like that, right? So I started rearranging the names and I completed it. Okay, so this I have done that. Okay, Swami has written everything perfectly. Then I came and then I started writing on my own something, and then there was lot of struggle in me. Okay, lot of struggle. I was not able to concentrate on any work. I was so restless. I was getting angry without any reason. Okay, then I prayed Swami, please make me to come out of this. And then he made me realize that all this happened because I changed the order of Astotra Shatanamavali written by Swami, and I had to correct it. Immediately, I changed the order to the original one written by Swami, and then whatever the restlessness, anger, and not able to concentrate, and the struggle inside me, everything vanished in a second. Okay, I became normal. So it proved once again that he had written his Astotra Shatanamavali. Okay, so how Swami accepted his Shatanamavali, Astotra Shatanamavali. I prayed to Swami before starting this work that he is the one who has given the message and he is the one who is writing. I prayed Swami to accept this Astotra Shatanamavali at Kuruvapuram and Pithapuram. So I got contacts of priests from Pithapuram, Rambabu Garu, and Kuruvapuram, Rajendra Bhattji. So I called them and I explained Swami's Leela and asked them if they could read this in front of Swami on Guru Purnima day and dedicate it to him. They happily agreed to that, and Swami also made me to talk to Lalita Amma from Kanchipuram Sripada temple, and she too happily accepted to read in front of Swami on Guru Purnima day. Okay, so this is the acceptance. Okay, so they read Swami Sastotram on that day. Okay, and then I prayed Swami for his assurance. Okay, so the divine work is completed, but there was some suspicion somewhere in my monkey mind. I should not ask this question to him again, but I asked. Okay, I asked Swami, if you are the one who is behind this divine work and chose me as your instrument, please drop your garland from your idol. There is a small Sripada idol in our house, and that pic is there in this video. and I asked Swami to drop a garland. As this is a foolish question, Swami might have laughed at me and he did not drop his garland. So it is very clear from all above Leelas that it is his work and he had done it, making me as instrument. And still I started asking, so that is a foolish question, right? Then I started complaining about Swami to my wife, Sri Devi. Okay. I was telling, look how Swami is doing. I asked him to drop his garland. If he chose me to do this work, he's not even listening and showing the proof. Okay. You don't believe, at the same time, my daughter Samhita came running and shouting, Swami Vacharu, Swami Vacharu. That means Swami has come, Swami has come. She said Swami dropped his garland from his idol. So I immediately apologized to Swami for my foolishness, and at the same time I felt so blessed that he picked me for his divine work, right? And then how I received a divine call from Gangapur. On 24th July Guru Purnima day, one of the coordinators of Koti Pranam Sripada, Praveen Garu, made a WhatsApp video call from Nirgud Mutt at Gangapur. He asked me to chant Siddhamangala Stotram, and I felt so blessed. And Sridevi and I chanted the powerful Stotram on the auspicious day, and also requested Praveen Garu to continue the video call, as I want to dedicate Sripada Srivallabha Stotra Shatanamavali to Sri Guru at Nirgud Mutt, and I was able to read all 108 names. This is how Swami accepted his Astotra Shatanamavali at Nirgud Mutt, Gangapur also on the auspicious day. Okay, and my state when being part of his work. Okay, so how I was while doing Swami's work, I myself see a lot of change in me in those 5 weeks. My thoughts, words, actions, everything was pious. I see a lot of positive energy in me. I stopped gossiping and I was almost silent most of the days. During this period only, I was blessed with a wonderful and divine opportunity to participate in Datta Parampara Pratishta and Lord Balaji Pratishta in Sri Shiva Vishnu Temple, New Jersey. It was a divine feast. I got a blessed opportunity to touch the lotus feet of Lord Balaji and Datta Parampara. Swami made me part of his work, and he completed the entire Sripada Srivallabha Astotram Shatanamavali on 20th July exactly in 30 days. He also made me read Sripada Srivallabha Charitamritam with so much of concentration. I had not read like this before. I was like a sage, Rishi, all those 5 weeks. Okay, so that was the state while doing his work. Okay, so in this divine work, Swami selected many of his children. Okay, reading at Kuruvapuram, Pithapuram, Kanchipuram, Gangapur, and reviews and preparing Astotra Shatanamavali in other languages. So I am so thankful to Goteti Venkateshwar Rao Garu from Chennai, Shyam Guruji from Connecticut, USA, Bhavani Ganesh ma'am from Chennai, and Jaya auntie from Hyderabad for reviewing the Astotra Shatanamavali and helping me with the corrections wherever needed. I am so grateful to Rajendra Bhattji, Rambabu Garu, Sai, Lalita Amma, Arvind Mokrala, Vasanti Kollimarla, Sridevi Kishore, Sai Krishna Garu, Geet Ji, Divya Ji, Menasa Ji, Pritisha, Hariharan Ji, Geeta Venkatachalam Ji, Dr. Shetal Gandhi Ji, Uma Ji, Sampath Ji, Anusha Ji, Manasvi Ji, Usha Garu, and many others for their help in this divine work. Even though I do not have a merit or talent or qualification to perform Swami's work, Swami has picked me as his instrument and he himself has done his work. No doubt about it. I am offering my salutations to beloved Swami at his lotus feet for blessing everyone with a gift on the auspicious day. Praying Swami to make everyone read Sripada Srivallabha Astotra Shatanamavali daily without fail. If anyone needs a copy, please send an email to info@saianugraha.org or send a message to our WhatsApp number +91 893 99 89777. So please note, you can send an email to info@sainugraha.org or a message to WhatsApp number +91 893 89777. There may be a delay here and there in sending the PDFs to you, but definitely whoever requested Sripada Srivallabha Stotra Shatanamavali PDFs, they will be definitely receiving it by Swami's grace. Thank you everyone for spending your valuable time listening the miracle of our beloved Sripada. Sripadarajam Sharanam Prapadye, Sri Sai Natham Sharanam Prapadye. Om Shanti 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 Samastaloka Sukhino Bhavantu Samastaloka Sukhino Bhavantu Samastaloka Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sri Sachidananda Sadguru Sainath Maharaj Ki Jai.